This is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. Axalta recently announced it has worked diligently to keep its customers supplied with powder through these difficult times, even though it has impacted their cost basis negatively. The CEO, its first female head, said that they cannot continue to be a good supplier without passing these increases through, and they must do this to remain an excellent and viable supplier in this inflationary market. All products will receive a 25-cent per pound increase. Hybrid products will receive a 65-cent per pound increase. Epoxy products will receive a 95-cent per pound increase. The 35-cent per pound surcharge will stay in effect. Axalta concluded that their forecasts have not shown any relief. Market indicators do not show any change until possibly at the end of second quarter 2022. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.